beautiful people. I thought I'd pick up the camera. I heard him up on the roof blowing leaves, which I don't like it when he goes up there because it's not only high, but it's on a slant. So, but it always scares me. And I just want you to say hello to John. Johnny, say hello. And Luna, she is outside. She's patiently waiting for me to come out and play ball with her. Look at her. Isn't she precious? Look at Luna. Aww. Okay, so we're going to go outside, and he's going to hopefully talk you through how he cleans the chimney. I don't know how he cleans the chimney. He does it. He can tell you. Okay. I'll shut up. I'm not playing ball. Okay, you going to bark the whole time?
Yes.
Okay, that's what you use to blow out the gutters?
That's what I use to blow out the gutters, yes. Fine steel product. But I have to go up on the roof.
We're filming.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know if you were just holding the camera on me. Hey, welcome to the Ridgeway world. I'm Jeff. You're not. Did you do one already too?
No.
Oh, okay. But either way, this is a gutter cleaner tube that goes on a BG50 and BG55 steel product. I usually use this to clean the gutters because I'm getting older and I try not to go up on the roof as much. But there's times when you've got to go up on the roof because a lot of leaves, as you see around us here, there's a shit ton of trees, and all the leaves get stuck into crickets, which are the valleys of the roof.
Yeah, there's still quite a few leaves left.
Right. And you know what this is also good for? Ricola! Did you like that?
Yeah.
I've done it numerous times. But so I have to do the leaves around here probably 7 or 8 times throughout a season, only because they accumulate so much, and if you don't keep up with them, they're gonna be too heavy for the blowers, and then I get to use the tractor loader and all that. But today's goal is to clean the chimneys. And I don't know if a lot of people ever said, what the hell's a chimney sweep? What do they actually do? I think the sweep aspect of it comes from cleaning out after all the creosote falls out of your chimney and lands in your fireplace or your wood stove, so they got to sweep that shit out.
And what is creosote?
That's just to build up from certain logs, the smoke, all the nasty stuff. There's a log out there they say cleans it. I think it's like it's an acronym like CDG or CDL or CL something or other. But we tried them years ago, but they didn't seem to work as well as getting up on the roof and trimming or cleaning or whatever the hell it is.
Okay, so you're going up on the extension ladder.
Yes. And these are the tools that you need to do it. Now, this is for this steel one. This is for the fireplace in the living room. That's a double-line steel pipe, galvanized or whatever the hell it is. So I bought these years ago for that on a closeout sale. So it's not round, but it's the right size. So you just got to take it in and out of the tube a little bit more to get the creosote. And what happens, the creosote then will fall down inside, go into the fireplace because the flue is open. And then you take your vacuum cleaner and then you suck out all the residue. So
doesn't that ruin the vacuum cleaner?
No, it's that old junker we got down in the basement.
Oh, so you're using a certain one that you use just specifically for that. Yes, I use all the time.
It's down in the basement. It's a piece of junk, but it's got good suction. So, and this is for the other the wood stove that we have another chimney that goes in the back. So I use that for this, but I just looked at that. That's not too bad because we didn't use the wood stove last year, only because the basement's a shithole from all the kids' stuff, and we really didn't have any time to go down there because you go down there and then you feel bad looking at all the crap. So this year we're going to get that cleaned up, correct?
Actually, probably not till the spring.
Lord Jesus. So
we're already going towards the end of 2021,
right.
Hon. We can't do it this year.
So we're probably not going to do that one. But that one, similar to that one, has a cap on top of it. See how that has a guard? Because what happens, people don't understand it. Back in the day, that squirrels, I was going to say rabbits, but birds, stuff like that, make nests in them, which blocks your flow. So that's why it's always good. And I'm all about safety and security. More so the safety right at this moment, but security too. As you've seen back in the past, in the Psycho series, they always cracked on me about security. Well, it was always safety and security. So, and I have a thing about security. And just to go off on a tangent here, you know what pisses me off?
Okay.
Why don't people put locks on their guns? if you have guns in your household and you got children, you got neighbors, you got people that frequent your house, lock your freaking guns up. You got these shootings going on, and these parents don't have the gun locked up. They don't have it in a safe.
Okay.
You know, and that's why there's $500,000 bonds on these freaks.
Yes.
Lock your guns up. Don't buy your a son a gun. It's utterly ridiculous. But again, I'm back to cleaning my chimney now. That was my rant.
Okay.
Okay, so these tools are for cleaning your chimney, and what they do is they affix to the cleaning brush. Because you're going to have to go down like that one's probably
Now, can I
18
ask you a
feet.
question? Are you carrying all that stuff up that ladder when you go up that ladder?
Yeah. If I
Well,
take
shouldn't you put that together once you get up there?
No, because I put it together as I slowly push this
Well, what
down.
happens if, God forbid, you fell, and then now you have this impaling object?
It would be a good video, wouldn't it?
No.
I may die, but it'd be a good video. But I mean, but no, I carry this stuff. I've done it for years. But you want this item will go down after I take the cap off of the guard. This will
Right.
go down in it, and I'll keep adding an extension. And you're going to go with each extension. You're going to go up and down, and until you get it all the way to the flue. And then after you're done, you're going to pull it all the way back up and take each piece off. And then I throw it off to the ground so I don't have to carry it down. Because carrying up's easier than carrying down.
Well, if you're carrying all them up, if you did ever feel like you were falling, you
I would
should
throw
really
'em.
throw them.
I would, yeah.
Okay.
So, but again, we're not doing the 8x12. We're just going to do the round one today. And
Okay.
I don't know if you want to see inside of a flue.
I'm not getting up there. You're going to take the
Oh,
camera?
I thought you were the camera girl.
I am not. I'm afraid of heights.
Terry, you're agile. You're supposed to be able to do it.
I know.
Spring to
I
it.
can climb a little 6 foot, maybe
Well, just
8 foot
think
ladder,
this
but
is
I
twice that
cannot
high.
go all the way up there. That's too high for me.
Okay. Oh, and the other thing. Do you ever get that crusty stuff on your sleeves from all the snot on a cold day? I do.
Jeffrey.
Oh, okay. So either way. Can you see my panty lines?
No, actually, I can't.
Oh, okay. See, safely on there.
Now, I missed this part. That cap is easy to come off. Oh, God.
That what?
That cap is easy to come off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Screwdrivers. I usually bring up the cordless screwdriver, but the battery wasn't charged, as we all know.
Because it's screwed on?
Yep, I'm just doing the cap, and it's a Phillips head.
I can't see you. It's probably my eyes.
There's one screw missing.
What, you just lost it?
Yeah, I seen where it landed though. So if you want, can you come up so far on the ladder?
Oh, I'll try.
All right. And then I'll just
Well,
give
then
you a-
I'm going to have to turn this off, though. I can't walk it up the ladder and have it on.
Well, that's it. Don't do it yet.
Huh?
Let me take this all the way off first.
And then you're gonna shine the camera
Yeah, I just
down
want to show
there.
the camera down there what it is. And again, I don't know what's going to be in there. There may be some creosote, but I'm pretty anal OCD about this shit. I clean it every year. So, and we did have one fire this year without cleaning. So I violated my own principles and guides. So I don't know if you can see the top of this.
It's filthy.
That's creosote that's built up on this. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, welcome back. So Terry made it up the ladder so far. So
That's as high as I'm going.
yeah, she didn't want to go on the roof. But again, this is a steel pipe galvanized or whatever. But I just wanted to show you. Sorry. Look how, if you can see around the edge, how much creosote built up. And you can't see down the pipe, but it's coated too. And again, that's just 1 year because I clean it every year. And here's the other one, the back chimney. And that's what I was saying. Make sure you put a cover on your chimney top because every animal that can fly, crawl, or whatever will go down there, including mice, birds, things like that. So, bats, and nothing worse than... And who?
Squirrels.
Oh, okay. But yeah, there's nothing worse than you fire up your fireplace or your wood stove, and then all of a sudden the draft, you can't get draft, which is the smoke going out the chimney, and all of it backs up into your house. So that's the reason to keep shit out of there and keep it clean. All right, so I'm going to hand off the thing back to Terry, the camera. So this is all we're doing. taking this in, putting it down. Some people used to tie a rope to them and pull them back and forth with the rope if they didn't have the attachments.
So do you mean to tell me that chimney is so narrow that's the width of that brush will
look,
get that creosote off?
Now see all that dust flying up?
I don't know. I think I might have missed it.
Okay, there's one attachment.
All right, so how long do you have to do that? How do you know that it worked?
Because you see all the, can you see all the shit flying out of here right now?
No, I can't.
Oh, okay.
The camera might pick it up, I guess.
Well, it should.
I'm holding it as high as I can.
So either way, you're just putting another attachment on. You never have enough attachments. And get back to these attachments. Larry had a set of these too, and I may have taken this first set from Larry and he didn't realize I had them, and then he had to go buy a new one. Ha, Uncle Larry. Okay, now where you attach that, and these are flexible fiberglass, so they bend a lot, so you gotta...
Oh, I see your sleeves now.
Okay, we're that far down.
How many attachments are there?
I got 6.
Well, what is that basically, you think? About 16 feet?
Yeah, roughly that. And you make sure you tighten these things because you don't want them to come off in the middle. And you'll know when you get to the end because you'll hit the flue at the bottom.
And I know, I'm sorry, I probably missed you saying this, but why exactly, you should do it every year? I mean, if you have too much of a buildup, then your smoke won't go up there properly, or you can have a fire, or what?
Yeah, because creosote does burn. So you got live ashes that are flying up your chimney. That shit can catch on fire and cause a house fire. So you want to do everything you can to make sure that everything's clean out of your chimney, and plus you want good draw or good flow from your chimney.
Yeah.
Now again, who the hell ever thinks about a chimney anyway? Most people anymore, if they don't have a fireplace or a wood stove,
they don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, because look, our heater has a displacement hose or pipe that comes out of the side of the house. I'm in. That was it.
Okay.
So, and then you're going to redo the process if you can get them out because I might have tightened it too tight.
And I guess depending, of course, on how much you use your fireplace, would be how much you need to do that.
People use, like, a lot of people use pine. Pine is like the worst for creosote buildup in a fireplace. So.
Okay.
Sorry, Tuna.
Oh, Tuna. You're such a good puppy. Yeah.
Tuna's the best dog ever, aren't you?
It's a baby. Okay. Sorry.
So what I'm going to do after I pull this out, you hear the goats yelling for help?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So then I'm just going to take my screwdriver and just run around the top edge of this and also the cap just to loosen it up. And then I have my blower up here to blow everything off. And you want to make sure, because if anybody's ever watched a fireplace from the outside, you see all kind of ashes and stuff flying off.
Tuna, what are you doing, Tuna? Oh, where'd you go? Jeff? Where are you?
Over here.
Don't do that to me. I took the camera away briefly and you left.
That big freaking orange male cat was back there.
Okay, but don't do that. You scared me.
Oh, sorry. What was that thing they did in Titanic? I'm the king of the world!
And that's on a ship.
Oh, sorry.
Can't you use the brush on that? Oh, you threw it down here, didn't you? Oh, sorry. I think I cut your head off.
That's all right. I got a 5 head anyway, so.
Do you want me to hand you the brush? Do you need to brush that?
No, that's I got all the chunks off of it and everything's good.
Okay.
You get a build up around the edges too. But again, yeah, always keep track. And I know a lot of people don't have the tools to do this. I know a lot of people are afraid of heights, which I spring around here like I don't have a fear of heights, but as I get older, I get a little bit more leery of it. So, but just make sure, hire a chimney sweep or hire somebody that knows what they're doing to check your chimneys out, because nothing like the holidays or any time and something happens. You want to make sure you keep your family safe. So.
And you also should always have a fire extinguisher in the house.
You took my line.
And check it every year to make sure it's still.
That was my line.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know we had lines.
No, I had it in my mind what I was going to say for this. I was going to say.
Well, maybe I just read your mind.
Maybe you did.
Yeah.
Hey, Tuna. Use the best. Okay. So no, what I was going to say at the very end, because I will sign off from the top of this chimney.
Okay.
But my next step I was going to say is I'm going to go back into the fireplace and use the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to suck up all the residue of the stuff. Hey, welcome back, everybody. So we're at the final stages of the cleaning of the chimneys. Now, if you look inside here, I don't know how much you can see, but this is white block. And you can see all the black dirt and dust laying there just from the chimney. The flue's wide open, so all this comes down. See?
Ooh, yeah.
See, this is all black soot, and that's just how bad it is. Now, and again, this is a chimney that was cleaned 1 year ago. And we do love to have fires in our fireplace. It sets the ambience of the room. But one of my safety features, and Terry brought it up, was always have a fire extinguisher. If you know, as Christmas is coming, easiest gift to give somebody. Hey, order them a fire extinguisher. ABC fire extinguisher.
That's a good idea.
Right.
Get somebody that, you know, especially some people you have no idea what to get them for Christmas.
Right. That's why I think it's a perfect gift. Anybody would appreciate a fire extinguisher. I don't care if it's a fire on your stove, a fire in your yard, a fire anywhere, a car fire, anywhere. Just get a fire extinguisher. So, But either way, you've seen what happens.
So the vacuum will suck that up pretty good?
Yeah, this is the cheap Junker Red Devil or whatever the hell it is, but yeah, Dirt Devil.
Okay.
And it works fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to suck the residual off. We should be good to then have a fire. Look at this pile. See how deep that is?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, did you bang the top and see if anything else is coming down?
Yeah, I got the majority of the flue cleaned out and scraped.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Yeah, always bang around, especially on stuff like this. Okay, I think we're good. We're good for a year. So either way, have a great day and a good life.